You need business cards for a trade show tomorrow, and a designer quote of 3 days and $200 just landed in your inbox. There's a faster way. Head to Vyroq's brand kit and click the Print Materials tab. Pick your piece type, business card, roll-up banner, or print banner. Choosing a business card? Set your card size, EU or US, and Vyroq designs it front and back. Pick a print banner instead. Enter your exact width and height in millimeters and watch the live pixel output update at 300 dpi. Hit Generate for 6 credits and Vyroq composes the artwork, then hands you a print-ready PDF with proper bleed plus preview images for every side. Not quite right. Describe your change in the refine box and click Regenerate for 6 more credits. Vyroq redraws it to match. Click Download print-ready PDF and you're done. No design software, no waiting on a freelancer. From logo to loading dock, all in one sitting. Start yours free at vyroq.com, no credit card, and a 14-day money-back guarantee.